What's up, guys? All right, so it is spray day. Got the plugs in. So we got the Brisk RR12S. These are 2 steps colder than stock, and these are the non-projected tips, so these are good for boost or nitrous. So we're gonna install these plugs real quick, and I am gonna have to, at least temporarily, I'm gonna swap this purge solenoid over for the other nitrous solenoid I had from the other kit, because this solenoid is slightly stuck open and I can't open the bottle and go, do a test hit, because it's just gonna leak out all the nitrous. So let's put these plugs in real quick and change this solenoid over, and then at another time I will have to make a new bracket, because I'm gonna have to mess this bracket up to make that other solenoid fit. But so yeah, let's get going on installing these plugs and swapping out that solenoid. Alright, so we got the spark plugs in and the new nitrous solenoid installed. Now I am going to at least have to repaint that bracket, or probably just hum anal, so I'll probably end up making another bracket. But let's try out the purge. Cross your fingers. Alright, so the purge is working. So we're good to go give this thing a test hit. I got the 50 shot pills loaded in there. So we're gonna go put some gas in it, put a little Torco octane booster in there, and go let it eat. Alright guys, so we got the Torco right here, getting ready to fill up. So it says here, if we use, let's see, if we use the whole bottle, which is 32 ounces to 5 gallons, we'd get 107 octane. If we use the whole bottle to 10 gallons, we'll get, what is that, 104 octane if we use the whole bottle to 10 gallons of gas. So we're going to use between 5 and 10 gallons of gas, and we'll have at least 104 octane. So that should be good there. So now we'll just grab this little funnel, dump in the whole bottle, and then use somewhere between 5 and 10 gallons of gas. Alright, so get the whole bottle going in. I'm gonna put half the bottle and then fill it up with the gas and then pour the rest. That way, hopefully we get a nice good mix there. So we got the 93 going in. Do somewhere between 5 and 10 gallons. Well, if we did 5 gallons, that would give us, what did we say, 107 octane. So I'm gonna do a little over 5 gallons. We should be good with just a 50 shot. Alright, so we put just over 7 gallons, so we should have like 105 octane roughly. Now I'm gonna top it off with the rest of the Torco here. Gotta get every last drop in there. Here, take one. right, so we are good to go. Alright guys, here we are in Fiji. I don't know why everybody always goes to Mexico, because the weather in Fiji is much nicer this time of year. So, I'm going to go ahead and make a test hit here on a 50 shot. Nitrous is armed. Here we go. Freaking animal. Did you expect it to do that when it shifted into third? Alright, so we'll have to try that again. Wow, man, that was fucking serious.
Yeah, that was a little unexpected.
I had to let out, and then when I got back in it, it freaking went out of control. Dude, I'm impressed for a 50 shot. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not just saying that like for the video or anything, like I'm dead serious. Because this thing, like when you launch out of a hole, like it normally hooks dead and doesn't even think about spinning. Like when I just tried to like baby it out of the hole and it did nothing but spin. I let out of it, got back in it, it was hooked up, and then it shifted and freaking we almost ate a tree. Alright, so one other thing I wanted to do, since we know it's working good now, is I want to see if we can kind of get an idea of how hard the nitrous actually hits. So I'm going to downshift it into, like, let's say, 5th gear. I'm going to unarm the nitrous. Let's see what 4th gear looks like. Alright, 3rd gear. So I'm going to put it in 3rd gear, and then I'm going to hit it, and then hit the button and see if you can hear the change. Alright, so let's try this. We're in manual mode. So 3rd gear, I'm going to get on it, and then hit the switch. Didn't really hear much of the hit, but it was already motivating quite a bit at that point. I know when I used to do that with like my 150 shot, you could clearly hear the change. Yeah.
Alright, let's try this one more time, guys.
I'm gonna try one more hit here. Quite noticeable when you just let it eat, you know?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching, but stay tuned, because in the next video we are going to go up to a 100 shot, and then we're just going to keep going after that. We're going to go to a 150 shot, and then all the way up to a 200 shot. So stay tuned guys, thanks for watching.
Bring it